Look at this full screen. Number one, this video is published on July last year. That you can see here, July last year, and only have 1000 views. This 1000 view already made me $47.49 outside YouTube. And on YouTube, I only made £7, which is around $10. Again, you can see this website is gonna pay me $26, still pending. They will pay out next month. And $47.49, this is the proof on my PayPal account and paid by this website. Now I'm going to show you how you can repeat this method for any affiliate marketing. I did a affiliate marketing for this website. It's called Javas AI, and I promoted on my YouTube with a small amount of audience, and then you can see only have 1000 views. This 1000 views already made me $47, which is a recurring income every single month, and also I have a $26 in unpaid earning. Now I will walk you through how I did it. All you have to do is show your support by liking this video, subscribe to my channels, and I will make video like this one every single day, guys. This is my YouTube video, and you can see it's published on July 2020, and they only have 1000 views. And this video only made is $7.28. But one thing I did it is, if you go to my edit section, that you can see I put this affiliate link as the first section here. The people click this link and they joined this website. Then you can see I bring 341 clicks. Now for 1000 views, I bring around 341 clicks for this website. On the 341 clicks, 86 people enter their email address. I promoted a free trial, so people put their email address and they joined for free trial. 86 people. On those 86 people, 4 people are repeating customers, which means, like myself, I also paying monthly subscription to this website because I am personally using this website, and 4 other people also using for personal users or businesses, whatever, and they are paying monthly subscription, which allow to make a passive income every single month. Now this is the referral that you can see. This lead mean people are sign up for free trial and they are paying monthly subscription. This is called not customer yet. They joined for free trial, but they are not begin their monthly subscription. But any day, any month, any year, couple of years later, they come back and they begin their subscription. I will get paid for that. And you can see here, these are not customer, but they put the email address. That you can see page 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 86 customer I plotted on here, and 4 people are paying it monthly, and I am making passive income. If I click payout section, then you can see they already have a payout around $47.49, and if I go to dashboard, and $26 in pending. And here, if you come down the bottom, this is your affiliate link. You can get it. Different type of affiliate links are there. You can promote the free trial one, which is the most famous for any software. So you get the customer into the website, then they can use the website, then they can decide for monthly subscription. Now this website is called Jasper AI. You can use this AI to create a blog post. You don't have to write anything. Put the keywords and this website write it for you. Not only the blog post, you can use to make YouTube videos, add copies, and create a story. Lots of things that you can do. This is not a review of this video. I'm going to show you how I did it so you can do it yourself, guys. Now if you go to Jasper AI or any softwares, so this method apply to any affiliate marketing. All you have to do is join with this website. Most of them have a free trials. Okay, 2 days, 7 days free trial. All you have to do is join the free trial. Now after you join the free trial, all you need to do is first familiar with this website. After you're familiar with the software, what you're going to do is you're going to make a review video for YouTube or any other social media. How you can do that? You don't have to show your own face. You can make it your own language if you want. If English is not your first language, do your own language, create a review, because these videos are gonna be in social media forever, and it will bring views, organic traffic every single day, guys. So don't worry about it. All you need is you need to install this tool is called Mojave Video Shoot, which I'm personally using to record my screen here. Okay, after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna screen capture your tutorial. You can talk it. If you don't want to talk it, you can put the text in the bottom. Simply, you're gonna make a tutorials. You can make a more attractive, more simpler wise tutorial with 1 to 2 minutes, or you can make a depth tutorial on each section of the tools. So if you go to Jasper AI and click templates, then you can see these are the tools that this website has that you can use to make a different content for different places. So you can make a tutorial for entire section, individual tutorial, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on YouTube. Again, YouTube is one of the tools. You're gonna put it on YouTube, you're gonna put it on Medium, you're gonna put it on Facebook, any other social media, even making less than 1 minute short clip, put it on YouTube Shorts, or TikTok or Instagram Reels to get a lot of engagement, guys. All you need to do is promote this on your social media. Create a simple review. You don't have to spend hours on this. Just a simple review. You can go and watch my videos. These are not good reviews, my point of view. These are not an excellent review, but I did it what I thought to be a right thing to do, and I put my affiliate link here. 1,000 people watched this video. That's the important thing. 1,000 people watched it. And if I go to my audience section here, I can show you here, there's a 62% of the people watched this video are not subscribed. Only 37% of people subscribed people watch this video. And again, I know this majority of the people that you can see, majority of people is coming from India. So if you're coming from India, you can't afford this tool. Again, it's a little bit expensive, but you can see some of the users coming from United States and United Kingdom. So the 4 of the customer I have from these countries, and they subscribe for it, and they are paying monthly subscription, and I'm making commission. So this, like this, you're gonna publish on your YouTube, any other social media. Keep creating content. Don't worry about the subscribers, and don't worry about the views. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, don't worry about the money that you are getting from YouTube like this one, or Medium, or Facebook. Just worry about the affiliate marketing and how many leads that you are getting. Because if you go to my YouTube channel, I can show you I don't have 10,000 or 100,000 subscribers. I only have nearly 9,000 subscribers. And again, you can see here, I'm able to get a small amount of views for that particular review video. From that 1,000 views, I'm able to bring 341 clicks and 86 referrals and 4 customers. So imagine that if that video have a 10,000 views, these clicks is double 10 times. So 3,410 clicks, nearly 100 customers, and I can make up to $1,000 in passive income from this website alone. Now, websites like this one are completely new and less competition, like AI website. Use AI to make videos. Use AI to convert text into videos, or use AI to create content. These type of videos have a less competition, and you can promote it. Also, I'm going to show you one more website. This website is called shortlyai.com. Again, I created a review on my YouTube channel. This is the video. You can see I have a 4,500 views, which is one of the first AI video I created, and it's published 9 months ago. And then you can see this video brought me, if I go to become affiliate page here, then you can see 1,359 clicks, guys, and 3 referrals and 2 customers, and I have an unpaid earning around $15. And if I go to payout section, I have a $63.20 in payout on 7th February. So like I said, small things matter, guys. Don't worry about the views and subscribers. All you do is make a simple review video and put it on the social media. Keep doing it. Keep promoting the tool. These are the organic methods to get traffic for your affiliate offers and get paid every single month. If you want to go with this method, I urge you to promote affiliate products at a recurring commission. So you spend all of your time promoting this product to get paid for per order is not good, guys. If you promote a recurring affiliate programs, which mean if you promote it all day, every single day, and be able to bring 10 customers and they pay every single month, from that you get paid in commission every single month, guys. So promote a recurring affiliate product and you can create a review videos, bring organic traffic, and you get paid like this one or this one. You can see here, these are things I just created way back here. These are simple tutorial videos, and again these videos are on YouTube forever and it will bring you money every single day, guys. I hope you understand this method. All you need to do is make a simple review video. If you want a case study, let me know in the comment section. I will promote another AI tools and let's see how much money we can make from that. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.